Real simple process. When you receive your product, just go ahead, take your filter out, take the existing screws that are in the xTool head and remove them. These screws are long enough so that you can mount the unit on top of it. And this is going to help keep all the dust and dirt out of your fresh air intake. Okay, once your screws are out, you want to take your filter holder and you want to place this slot in the front of this, on the front of your machine. Once you do that, just go ahead, slip the screws back in. Once you get them back in, just go ahead and snug all of them down. Everything is designed so that you can use the original screws that come with it. They'll be long enough to be able to hold it down, everything together. Okay, once you get that mounted, then you take your cartridge, put it in the front, snap it towards the back. Once that's in there, that's going to keep most all of your particles and dust from getting in there. Thank you.